Let me show you how I've been using ChatGPT to stand out and land six-figure paying job. So as you can see here on this screen, this is an IT job, and a lot of IT roles pays 6 to 7 figure dollars annually. So this one pays $65 to $80 per hour for an SAP material management consultant job. You can see this is going to be a remote and it's a full-time job, right? So what I do is I just copy this, paste it there for 1 to 2 minutes. ChatGPT is going to do everything for you. Now you can use this technique to apply to different companies out there, right? It would highlight the keywords, it would adjust my resume. If you want ChatGPT to get a cover letter for you, you can always study to do that. And then ChatGPT is going to also create a cover letter for you. Okay, this is one way you can actually use this tool to best put yourself out there and to land your own job in 2025. I hope this helps you.